Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Bongnetic, and I'm Pallavidas with you guys. So I hope you guys are doing well and you guys are enjoying my videos. So today's video is going to be this simple look. I did not do in much more, like it's a very simple and easy look. I'm sorry if you're hearing some sounds outside, people are blabbering outside a lot. So I'm really sorry for that. And if you're noticing my choker, then let me tell you where I went. I went to Kerala and I got this choker from there. Actually, this is my mom's choker, not mine. And it's a very pretty choker. I'll just zoom you in so that you can see the choker pretty well. So this is the choker. Like, it has matching earrings. It's really well, and like when you're wearing something broad neck, so this will suit you a lot. And I'll just tell you the brand name. It's Piora Fashion Jewelry. I'll just link down their website in the description box below, so if you want to check, you can go ahead and check. By the way, this is not at all a sponsored video. I bought this, like my dad bought this by his own money. So yeah, this is the outcome of the look. It's a very simple, very simple, very easy look. Like, I did not even use a foundation, so it's a very simple and very easy look. So you can try this. Obviously, like the before one was a glam look, I just did a lot of glam thing in that look. So this is a very simple look, because many of the people do not like to do such a glam look. People like to do very simple and like easy breezy look. So this is for you guys, and I hope you will like this video. So let's not blabber a lot and let's get started. So guys, I'm going to start with prepping my face, and I'm going to prep my face with aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel also acts as a primer, so I'm not going to apply any extra primer. For that glowing look, because I'm not going to apply any foundation, I want my skin to look flawless and glowy, I'm going to apply the Nykaa Strobe and Glow highlighter. I'm going to apply it on the highest points of my face and blend it to it with the beauty blender. I also applied some of the highlighter on my collarbone because I was wearing a broad neck kurti. And as I'm not going to apply any foundation, so I'm going to apply a high coverage concealer to conceal my dark circles and the pigmentation on my face. And I'm going to apply it on my under eyes, my nose and near my mouth area, because I have a little bit pigmentation over. So I'm going to blend this all with the beauty blender and spread it all over my face. After blending the concealer, I'm going to set my face with the MAC Studio Fix powder. This also has some coverage, so it helps me to control all the darkness and unevenness over my face. And now, because I want a little bit depth on my face, so I'm going to slightly bronze up my face. I'm not going to contour my face as I'm using a big fluffy brush. I'm going to bronze up my face using the Benefit Hoola bronzer. And now, because I want my cheek blushy as well, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me blush in the shade Rose. This has a little bit sheen in it, so it will give me a nice glowy look as well. And I want my base to stay in place, so I'm going to use the NY base setting spray and spread it all over my face. After that, I'm going to fill in my brows with Nykaa Take a Brow Filler, and I'm just going to fill in as my brow shape. I'm not going overboard with it, I'm just filling it as my brow shape is. Be a little bit careful while using this because it is very pigmented, so be a little bit careful. Now comes the interesting part, that is the eyeshadow. For eyeshadow today I'm going to use the Sugar eyeshadow crayon, and this is in the shade Rose Gold. I'll just mention everything in the description box below in detail, so please do check if you want to know the product detail. And this is a very nice rose shade, so I'm going to apply it all over my lid as well as my crease and just blend out the edges so that there's no harsh line. After that I'm going to use the Sugar I Dare You metallic eyeliner, and I'm going to apply it as a half cut crease on my eyelid. And next, just to give a depth on my eyes, I am going to apply a thick layer of kajal, and the kajal which I am using is Maybelline Colossal kajal. It is very inexpensive, so you can get your hands on this. And I am going to apply a thick layer of kajal on my waterline, and then I am going to just curl my lashes and apply a nice volume of mascara. And now for the lips, I'm going to use the Maybelline Lip Gradation in the shade Pink 2. And this is a very nice pink shade with a mauve undertone. You can use any shade you want. You can use red even if you want, or nude shade. So guys, I hope you like this video, and this makeup tutorial was quite easy. And if you guys try this makeup tutorial, do not forget to tag me there. And yeah, I hope you liked it, and I hope you have already given a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please take a time and subscribe to my channel before leaving, and share with your friends and family, and comment down if you like this video or not. Till then, stay healthy and stay beautiful. Tada!